Guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and today I'm going to show you about how to install the shaft and to make sure that is straight. Okay, so like as you can see, this one, the shaft is pretty straight. The first thing we have to know is what type of the shaft that we should choose. So here I have this is what we call the stock, the regular shaft. This shaft is from the regular shaft, like it's come from the units. Like each units that you got, it come with the, no matter the 60mm or the 72mm shaft, and it come with the regular one. Okay, and here is the black ring force shaft, also available for 60 and 72mm. And this one is the hollow shaft, the wheel shaft. Also come with the 60 and 72mm. So the first thing we need to do before we install it, before we start everything, it will be, we have to check the shaft, is that straight or not, because that affects everything. If you want to make sure your shaft, when you after you install it, is everything straight, then the first thing we have to check is the shaft, is that self is straight or not. So there's some tools that you can choose, like there is shaft checkers that you can try. Let's say this hollow shaft, then it straight came off, and that means the shaft is straight. Okay, and also there's a shaft repair kit. Well, you can, you know, like there's a lots of brand, like for the shaft checkers or the repair kit, whatever. There's a lots of brand, and of course there's like Enomoto's or the 324 brand. I would recommend, if you have a budget, then it would good if you can go for a like Enomoto or 324. And if you don't have that budget, of course there's some aftermarket, it works as well, but I would say like those brand, of course they are famous, and it must be something, the reason why they are famous, right? So so there's just an option for you. And just in case if you don't have those tools, there's another way that you can check the shaft is that straight or not, is by using your cell phone. So cell phone, we have the screen here, and usually, like, well, not usually, of course the screen itself is totally flat, or even though if you have mirror, like mirror can do the job too. So you just place the shaft on top of the screen, and you just check, like you twist it little by a little and see by the angle flat. And if the shaft is not straight, you can see there will be a space. But you can, if you see there's no space at all, then which means the shaft is straight. Okay, so that's an option for you if you don't have any tools. Okay, another thing is when we choose the shaft and you don't have all the tools, there's another way can help you to get the straight shaft. Like I would say 95% the shaft will be straight. It will be the hollow wheel shaft, because the way they make the wheel shaft is different to other regular and the ring force. So as far as I know, like 95% of the wheel shaft from the hollow wheel shaft, that will be 95% straight. So if you don't have those tools, and then you are not sure about your shaft will be straight or not, and you can straight go for the hollow shaft. But the only thing is, because it's hollow, it's lighter, and compared to other shaft, that will be pretty easy. Like, I mean, compared to other shaft, that will be easy be get bent, like, because it's hollow, right? So whenever your car got hit or something, very serious impact, then the shaft will possibly get bent. So that's the thing we have to know. So here is the things, and also here I will gonna give you an example about the wheels. So here I got the wheels here. If you can see clearly, if you see clearly, and the shaft itself here, it has a shape, exactly same shape as the wheel shaft. Okay, as you can see, there's exactly same shape as the wheel shaft. So when you install the wheels, just you have to try to make the shaft each other is matched, and you place in the right spot. Then you find a flat surface. If you have a setting board, like aluminum setting board, something like this, or even though any hard surface and flat surface, and you just place at the right angles and the right spot, and then you just hit it, like gently, not bang 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 like that. Okay, so gently, little by little, and try to make sure it fit at the angles and also it's straight. Then when you hit it, so it will make sure you're like, it will do the job, like, and you can get a straight wheel shaft. Okay, and when you install it, then it can be spin like a straight like this. Okay, so let's start with the quick video. So let me show you how to install it. Let's go. Okay, so right now I'm trying to install a shaft, and what I choose a hollow shaft, and to do the example. So as you can see right now, I try to make the shaft and the angle is fit in the hole. Then I hit the shaft like very gently, like a little by little. Then I installed everything on the chassis, and you can see after I spin, it's pretty straight. Okay, now I'm going to install the other side of the wheels. Of course, when you install it, you also have to find the hole it's fit and the shape is fit each other, and you try to install it, but make sure when you install it is not that tight. Just give a little bit rooms, just a little bit, to play, and let that has a little bit room that it can spin smooth. And also, if you have this kind of the wheel installer, and that will also help you when you install the shaft, that it can install it evenly, because when you push, it's pushed pretty straight. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you so much. I will see you next time.